belly crying for something real. Look ya, beef patty them hold you proper.
What's in it exactly? Looks like a pastry.
Flaky crust like morning sunshine and inside ground beef slow cook with thyme, scallion, little scotch bonnet pepper. Give it a little dance. Let me show ya. See that golden shell crack open. Steam talking to you already.
Wow, that's amazing.
Here now. Ever try a proper beef patty, my friend?
Not yet. I saw the sign. Sounds interesting.
Ah, you're in for your treat. Flaky crust like morning breeze and inside minced beef slow cook with thyme, scallion, little bit of island sunshine.
Sounds amazing.
Really spicy? We have mild and we have one with scotch bonnet to make your tongue dance. See the cut 2 for 4 for the little jar, uncle. Big one in your hand costs 3 even. Read the rest of the sign.
Size looks same to me. Sugar water not worth 3.
See here, 8 ounce. You're holding the 12. More fruit, more money. Simple math.
Should give a man discount for loyalty.
I've been buying here.
Oh baby, I have a fresh baked pie that I made from scratch and it is just for you.
Oh, you're trying to sweet up me now, eh? Look at that crust, Lord. Give it here. It smells like heaven in here. You're too here, big man. These patties is 2.5 each, not the little coins you drop on my counter.
Peace here. I'll pay the full price. Just give me 2 patties.
2? Then it's 5 even. You have the paper, not them fish money.
Yes, of course. Then smell one.
Fresh out the oven, hot like me there. $5, boss.
Here you are.
People coming here trying to shortchange me. Not today. Here, careful. Hot like sunshine.
Excuse me, they charged me for 4 mangoes. I only picked 2.
Let me see the slip, sweetheart. Could be the scale hiccup. I don't go robbing folk.
Don't sweetheart me, look, right there, extra $2. I'm not paying for what I ain't buy.
Easy now. You think I open shop to thief people? No, ma'am. Let me check the till. See? Duplicate entry. I avoid it. Give you back your change.
The sign back there says 2 for 5. You just rang up $3 for 1 bag.
Because you only bring 1, sweetheart. Deal only sweet when you take 2. Simple maths.
That's not how it reads. It just says 2 for 5, not buy 2 or else.
You want to argue, grandma? Or you want to eat snack?
I set the price, darling. You gave that guy a discount on his bottle right before me.
Different item.